Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are well. We are well. Today, our lecture is 2. Today, I will teach you in the second part narration. I have written 4 examples on the board. Look at these examples. He said to me, I eat rice. Here, reporting verb said to, and reported speech, I eat rice. It is present indefinite tense. Okay, look at this. He told me that it is present indefinite tense. It will be past indefinite tense. And person I, first person, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Here subject he. So here he. I eat rice. It is present indefinite tense. It will be past indefinite tense. You know what is the structure of past indefinite tense? He ate rice. Okay. He told me that he ate rice. In the second sentence, she said to me, I am reading a book. Here reporting verb said to and reported speech. I am reading a book. It is present continuous tense. Reporting verb past tense, but reported speech present tense. So, according to the rules, reported speech present continuous tense will be past continuous tense. Okay. She told me that here I, first person, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. She. I am reading a book. Present continuous tense. So she was reading a book. In the third sentence, Rohit said, I have done the work. Here said reporting verb past tense, but reported speech present perfect tense. In indirect speech, Rohit said that I. It will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Rohit. He had done the work. Yes, students, look at these examples very attentively. In the fourth sentence, they said that here we, it is also first person, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. They. We have been working for 2 hours. It is present perfect continuous tense. It will be past perfect continuous tense. They had been working for 2 hours. Okay, dear students, write down this sentence on your exercise book. Okay, students, you have written these examples. Now I am removing this. Dear students, I hope you have written these examples. According to this example, you can write the structure, or you can write how to change tense structure. If the reporting, if the reporting verb of direct speech is past tense and if the reporting verb of direct speech is past tense and if the reported speech is present tense. Okay, write down this. If the reported speech is present tense, then reported speech will be changed according to the following way. Direct speech, indirect speech. Present indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. Present continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Dear students, write these examples and structures. Dear students, write down this. In the next class, I will teach you another tense. Okay, see you again.